Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can enable the developer options at the Oppo A94. Okay, so for that we will need the settings for, so just scroll down here and then you will have here the symbol for the settings. Tap it and then we need to scroll down to the very last point, about phone, and here we will need the version. And now we will need the build number and you have to tap that build number for 7 times. You see the countdown here below and you are a developer now for the phone. Okay, go back one step, go back another step so that you're back here in the general settings. And now we will need the additional settings. So now here at the additional settings you can find the developer options. Okay, now you can do the stuff you wanted to do, may like to enable stay work mode or the USB debugging, or may other services you need. Okay, and if you're finished with, you can also disable them here on the top. So if it's on gray, it's disabled, and if you go now back one step, they should disappear here. Yes, they are. And yeah, but you can have them always back if you tap 7 times on the build number, as I have shown you before. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe the next time. Ciao.